Clouds were heavy over our heads, quiet words were left unsaid. We kept searching through the gray, hoping storms would drift away. Then the sunlight touched your eyes, like the dawn across the sky. Every drop became a spark, turning shadows into stars. Every tear became a river, every moment pulled us nearer. When the sky began to clear, love was waiting right here. After the rain, we fell into a story only hearts could tell. From the darkest skies, we learned to fly, found forever on the other side. Every storm became a light, leading us through every night. When the world was washed anew, I found my way to you. Every scar became a sign, pointing me back to your light. Broken roads became our guide, hand in hand we crossed the tide. You were hope in every breeze, calming all my restless dreams. Every heartbeat found its place, wrapped inside your warm embrace. Now the thunder fades away, only blue remains today. Every rainbow tells us why love survived the hardest nights. After the rain, we fell into a story only hearts could tell. From the darkest skies, we learned to fly, found forever on the other side. Every storm became a light, leading us through every night. When the world was washed anew, I found my way to you. If tomorrow brings another storm, I still find your steady warmth. Love was never made to hide, it blooms where hope survives. Every ending, every bend can become a new begin. Side by side we'll always stand, with tomorrow in our hands. After the rain, we fell into the dream we know so well. Every sunrise paints the sky with colors only love can find. No more fear of cloudy days, your heart became my safest place. Every season leads me through, back to a love that's always true. The rain is gone, the sky is clear, and every drop that touched the ground brought us here.